What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Fishy Vibes TV. Today we planned a little micro fishing. So right now I'm just trying to find some jig heads that I think I have for the grub worms we're gonna use. I've never actually like specifically went micro fishing for small tiny fish. So I don't know what I have, but it seems like a lot of fun. We're gonna see what I have. I don't know what's in here. Oh, perfect. No, never mind. Not good. All right, so that's not it. Those jig heads are all rusted. Oh my God, this one's heavy. I don't know what's in here either. It's got so much stuff. I don't use any of it. I don't even, why do we have all this? I didn't even know we had this scale. Look how old this is. This is Zebco, I don't know. I'll never have to buy weights again. I didn't even know we had that. All right, so we're gonna go do this. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Also, at some point in the video, we're gonna put a word. If you guys find that word, comment it down below for a chance to win a shout out. So yeah, we're gonna go find a little creek to fish and do some micro fishing. So I'll see you guys there. So we're on this very large lake, kind of in the middle of nowhere. It's like a construction site that just has water. I don't know if it's man-made or not, but never fished here before. So I have this bull shad, the baby bull shad tied on from Catchco. I made a video on it, I think last week, so definitely go check that out if you guys have not seen it yet. So now, got our first spot right here. Stuck on that, that's good. Which should be good. This looks really good. Oh, I got one. Oh, ow. It was a pickerel. Yeah. Oh, that hit me right in the boob. Ow. No. Imagine I got hooked on a nipple. Yeah, so I just had a pickerel. Not a huge one, but he spit it out and the lure hit me right in the boob. I don't know, 6 hooks and he shakes it. It's always good. What happened? Broke you off? Your lure came off? What the was that? That's crazy. There's a jump right there. Oh no. Are you kidding me? My lure just came off. I gotta go f***ing get it. Yeah, I can see it. Oh my God. Yeah, look at this. Look at what I gotta do. Oh. I don't know. So the reason I'm not just walking in the water is because this sand is pretty much quicksand, and you're not supposed to swim in it because quicksand, not quicksand, what's it called? Soft bottom, so you literally just sink. I definitely wasn't letting the lure sit there. Oh, I just got a hit. No, wait. Well, it looked like he came up out of the water because you're reeling him in. Yeah, so. Oh. Yeah. Get up here. Holy crap, dude, what a psycho. I was working at top. That was nuts. I was just working at top water. Ah, dude. That hurt. Stop it. Dude, fish drive me absolutely crazy. All right, let's get this guy back. He's a psycho. Get him there. Ow. Dude, I gotta be more careful. I was just working that. I don't know if you guys could see it. I hope you were able to see what I was doing there. I was just kind of working this on top of the water, this bull shad, and he came up and destroyed it. Oh, holy shit, there's a bass. Kelly, there's 2 bass that just chased my lure. Holy crap, eat it. Oh my God, that was insane. What the holy crap. Dude, I hope you guys could see what just happened. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Stop.
Stop it.
Holy shit. I'm sure I can get him back in. Guys, I don't know if you can see that. You probably couldn't. I was swimming the the baby bullshad, kind of like working it and letting it die. And I saw 2 bass swim up, cast back in, and this guy, I threw it back in, and this guy came up and destroyed it. I hope you guys could see that. That was crazy. Oh my God, it's probably one of the craziest things that's ever happened to me in fishing. Holy shit. There's fish in here, and they're in the shallows. Oh my God, see you later, buddy. I've never seen anything like that ever happen. He followed it right into, see this open spot right here? Yeah. They both just followed it. It looks like a dying baitfish. That's crazy. What? This is fun. I'm having so much fun. That was, oh no, I just never had anything like that happen to me. Because usually the water I fish in is never clear. And you can't really see. That was so cool. There's so many baitfish. This is crazy. So up here a little bit more, it does look like it opens up. Maybe we can get something here. Oh, dude, I just got hit. This looks good. I also feel like something's watching me, so that's always fun. Like a big bear or something comes out. Jeez, that would be bad. That would be very bad. The f was that? Dude, what was that? Whew. My heart just stopped. I don't know what I just heard behind me. You didn't hear that? What the heck? Guys, I don't know if you heard on the GoPro, but I just myself. Holy shit. Scared me to death. That's a bass right there. That's a bass right there. Damn it. So we were just across from us, that way. And now we came over here, and this is way deeper than the other side. That was all shallow. Jesus. That was nothing eating the chatterbait. Look at all those fish eating out there. I don't know what they are, but look at all those bait fish. Are those little bass? What was that? That was a fish. One more. Here we go, last cast. Now I jinxed myself. And that was the cast. Wait, I have a fish. No, no. Dude, what the f? What was that? That was crazy. And I like didn't feel any, hold on. Jeez. All right. That was so crazy. I really didn't even feel him hit because he must have picked it up and ran at me, and then I saw my line going right into the trees. Let me get him back in there. Sorry, buddy. That's good. And yeah, then I started just reeling fast, and I had to get him through these trees, and I thought I was gonna get stuck, but I got him, thank God. That would have sucked. I didn't even feel him hit. All right, last cast. He just literally started taking my line this way, and I was like, well, that doesn't make sense. All right, there we go, we're done. That's it, there's a good cast. Let's get a fish here. All right, let's roll.